Hi ladies, great to see you today. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, being a member of my Facebook group, Functional Medicine for Hormonal Imbalances. And thanks for your interest in learning how to rebalance your hormones naturally, especially as a female over 40. And many females over 40 are having shifting, changing hormone levels, and they're having a lot of symptoms with it. And there's a lot of confusion, there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of lack of understanding of what's really happening in the body and also what you can do about it. There's so much information out there on social media now. Do this, try that. The only way to feel better and have your health long term is with HRT. The only way to lose weight is with the GLP-1s. Again, yada, 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 it goes on and on and on. And there is a lot of strategies available to women that they just don't know how to access them. And my goal is to help you learn how to access this information. We also live in an era now where we're in AI, and there's a lot of information produced, again, that looks so real. And it's not always real. So we've got to keep that in mind too. And, this is all the buyers beware out there. And what do we really know to be true and not be true? It's hard to know anymore. So I hope that you know that this information that I'm giving you is really coming from my heart. And I have an absolute passion for helping women just like you learn how to uncover the root causes of your hormone imbalance symptoms and how to really develop a long-term lasting solution that's primarily derived from specific individualized lifestyle strategies. And these strategies have to be customized based on you as a person, your health history, and also based on very specific labs being done. Often women are coming to me, they've had a lot of basic blood work done at their local practitioner, and they often tell them, in a dismissive way that everything looks okay, you should be fine, this is just a normal transition in life, you're going to have to just come up with some strategies to manage it. Every woman goes through it and you're no different. So this is a very dismissive way of telling women that the symptoms that you have, you just have to deal with them on your own. There's nothing that can be done. But the truth is there's a lot that can be done. And again, the power lies in the knowledge and also, I believe, working with a practitioner that really cares about you and getting you better. So if you are looking for that, that is me. I do truly care about women getting better. I do think we have a better world when we have healthy women in it. And I know there's a lot of women that are in turmoil in their 40s and early to mid 50s and this big hormonal shift towards and into the perimenopause, menopause shift, to the point that a lot of women feel like they are giving up on their life. They are not able to work. They're not able to work in the capacity that they had wanted or hoped in this stage of life. A lot of women are having struggles with their relationships, things in their home life, things in their work life, and they're feeling like their whole world is tipped upside down because they just don't have the knowledge to understand how to learn how to rebalance their hormones properly in this time of life. So if this does sound like you and you feel like you're struggling, please feel free to reach out. I'm a practitioner that has been working as a healthcare professional for over 25 years. I have an absolute passion for helping women. Not to say I don't work with men sometimes, but I have an absolute passion for helping women really learn how to uncover what's going on with their health, discover the root causes of their health concerns, their health symptoms, especially around perimenopause, menopause. Many women have mood shifts, weight shifts, they're not sleeping well. They have a laundry list of symptoms, and a lot of women feel that they're losing connection with themselves, with others around them, and they really feel like the walls are closing in on them. And it doesn't have to be this way. There are ways to get the answers back, but you really do have to go and seek out the knowledge. It's not going to just come to you. And unfortunately, most of the high quality knowledge that you should be getting is not available on Instagram, etc., etc. Having said that, I also do post a lot of my information on social media, and the reason for that is because I hope to access as many women as I can to help them understand how to really get to the root cause of their hormone imbalances and find a way through so that they can feel better again. But again, there is ways for you to do this on your own if you like. There's a lot of natural strategies out there. There's a lot of pharmaceutical strategies out there. The choice is yours. But if you want to learn how to really connect and understand what's going on in your body, develop a natural lifestyle strategy that is highly customized to you for both short-term and long-term success, please feel free to reach out to me. So you can go to my website at www.angelasimpsonfunctionalmedicine.ca. There is a place there for you to book a complimentary consultation. There's also a place there for you to contact me. There's a contact link, and you can ask me questions through that contact link to see if it may be a good fit for us to book that complimentary consult, or to talk about what could be the best next steps for you and your health based on your current symptoms. So please feel free to do either. You can also connect with me through my social media. So I do have ways for you to connect through both my Facebook group, my Facebook business page, my YouTube channel, Instagram. You can DM me through any of those areas, and I'm definitely going to be happy to get back to you and talk to you about what could be your best next steps. So thank you so much for following along. Thank you if you have been following me for weeks, months, potentially years. I'm really grateful to have you here in the group, and we all are stronger as females in a community, especially a collective that have some of the same goals. So most women that are in my groups, follow me on social media, etc. You may be in my email list, and you may be getting some information that way as well. But most women do have a goal of learning how to uncover the root causes of their symptoms and how to find natural solutions. So again, we are stronger as a collective. Thank you so much for being a member of my community. I really look forward to bringing you more and more information on how you can first uncover the root causes of your hormone imbalance symptoms as a female, especially over 40 and 50, and also how you can develop a lasting, customized lifestyle strategy. Thanks so much, ladies. And if you haven't already, I also wanted to mention I am in a business contest for entrepreneurs, and it's a contest where if I win it, I will have some extra money that I can allocate to my business. And with this, I would definitely look for ways to help more and more females learn how to rebalance their hormones naturally, and really look at ways that I can help extend my reach beyond what I'm doing with a lot of my one-on-one work with clients. So I'd love to be able to take this to the next level. And if you know me and you're interested in helping me out with this business contest, that would be great as well. So what you can do is you can click on the link below and you can cast a vote for me, and I'd be much appreciative of it. Thank you so much, ladies. Have a good rest of your day, and I will be bringing you more and more information on how you can learn how to rebalance your hormones naturally soon. Bye for now.